Hello, health-conscious individuals. In today's conversation, we'll conduct a thorough comparison of avocado oil versus olive oil. In the world of cooking, much attention is paid to the core ingredients, while the choice of cooking oil is often overlooked. However, the type of oil you use can significantly impact the flavor and nutrition of your meals. Two popular options in this regard are avocado oil and olive oil. These oils share some nutritional similarities, but also exhibit some differences. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is obtained by pressing the flesh of avocados after removing the pit and peel. The extracted pulp undergoes heating and filtration to yield the oil. If the oil is labeled as cold-pressed or cold-extracted, it indicates that heat or chemical solvents were not used during extraction. This method retains more nutrients, making the oil especially nutrient-rich. From a nutritional perspective, avocado oil offers numerous benefits, including its high content of antioxidants and unsaturated fats. Olive oil is produced similarly to avocado oil. Olives are pressed into a pulp, which is then heated and filtered to extract the oil. Additional chemical processing or deodorization may be employed to refine the oil. Like avocado oil, cold-pressed or cold-extracted olive oils are available and tend to be more nutrient-rich. When shopping for olive oil, you'll often encounter labels like virgin or extra virgin. Extra virgin olive oil is less processed and retains more nutrients, resulting in a stronger flavor. Similarities. 1. Heart health. Both avocado oil and olive oil are rich in unsaturated fats, primarily monounsaturated fats. These fats have been linked to reduced levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, and lowered blood pressure. Diets high in unsaturated fats are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. 2. Brain health. The monounsaturated fats found in both oils, particularly oleic acid, have been associated with improved cognitive function and brain health. Regular consumption of these fats may offer protection against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. 3. Gut health. Both avocado oil and olive oil contain compounds that can support a healthy gut microbiome. Polyphenols in olive oil, like hydroxytyrosol, exhibit prebiotic properties, encouraging the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. The monounsaturated fats in avocado oil may also contribute to a balanced gut microbiota. 4. Eye health. Lutein, a carotenoid antioxidant present in both oils, has been shown to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other vision-related issues by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants found in both avocado oil and olive oil, including vitamin E and various polyphenols, possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is implicated in various diseases, including cancer, and reducing inflammation can have significant health benefits. Differences. 1. Vitamin E content. Olive oil contains slightly more vitamin E than avocado oil. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant known for its skin protective properties. It helps defend the skin against UV damage and may aid in skin repair and maintenance. However, both oils provide vitamin E. 2. Smoke point. Avocado oil boasts a higher smoke point, approximately 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees centigrade, compared to extra virgin olive oil, approximately 376 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees centigrade. The smoke point indicates the temperature at which an oil begins to break down and produce smoke. This makes avocado oil better suited for high-temperature cooking methods, such as frying and searing, while extra virgin olive oil is more appropriate for lower-temperature cooking techniques like sautéing and drizzling over finished dishes. 3. Flavor. Avocado oil offers a milder, neutral flavor in comparison to olive oil. The taste of olive oil can vary significantly depending on factors such as the olive variety, growing region, and processing methods. Some olive oils exhibit bold, fruity, or even peppery flavors, which can enhance the taste of dishes. Avocado oil's mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly with other ingredients without dominating the overall flavor profile. Drawbacks of avocado oil. 1. Allergies. Avocado oil is more likely to trigger allergic reactions than olive oil. Avocados contain histamines, making them a potential cause of oral allergy syndrome. Individuals allergic to birch family plants, for example, cashews, bananas, and mangoes, should exercise caution when using avocado oil. 2. Price. Avocado oil tends to be somewhat more expensive than olive oil, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. In summary, while both avocado oil and olive oil offer numerous health benefits and culinary versatility, it's essential to use them in moderation. These oils, while rich in nutrients, should complement a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These natural sources of nutrients provide a broader spectrum of health benefits. Incorporating both oils into your kitchen repertoire allows you to explore a wide range of culinary possibilities while enjoying the numerous health benefits they offer. Whether you're sautéing, roasting, or drizzling, these oils can elevate your dishes and support your well-being when used wisely and in harmony with a balanced diet. Remember to store them in dark glass bottles in a cool, dark place to preserve their quality. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share this informative video to help others make informed choices. Stay healthy, stay informed.